Welcome to the Deduction Channel. I am Detective Victor Locke, and this is the Star of Venice Diamond, or what's left of it. Last night, the legendary jewel was stolen. Physical evidence is non-existent. This isn't a case for fingerprints, it's a pure test of logic.
Hey deductors, I'm Agent Kit, and before we dive in, let's go over the rules for a proper Murdle. You're going to help Detective Locke solve a mystery. We have 3 suspects, 3 locations, and 3 tools. The one absolute rule is this: the thief is the only person telling a lie. That's it. Everyone else is speaking the absolute truth. Find the lie, find the culprit. Simple, right? Now, let's get into the evidence.
Thanks, Agent Kit. We're in the Museum of Antiquities, where the Star of Venice Diamond rested within this supposedly impenetrable main vault. The crime was surgical and silent. This forces us to ignore the physical and focus on the psychological. Who, among our 3 suspects, is trying to deceive us?
Hello, deductors. This is Dr. James Quill here. Our suspects and the scenario are ready. The 3 suspects are Miss Iris Black, Mr. Julian Frost, and Mr. Ben Carlow. Locations: the main vault, the archives, and the curator's office. The 3 tools are a lockpick, a skeleton key, and a hacking device. Let's see what are the suspects' statements. Miss Iris Black said, "I was not at the main vault, and the thief did not use a skeleton key." Mr. Julian Frost claimed, "I did not steal the diamond, and the crime happened at the curator's office." Mr. Ben Carlow testified, "Miss Black was not at the archives, and the thief used the hacking device."
All right, deductors, it's game time. The full evidence is about to appear on your screen. This is your chance to beat Detective Locke. Remember, the thief is the only liar. Pause the video now on the clue screen. Drop your full deduction, who, where, with what, in the comments below, and hit like if your logic fails. Let's see your best work.
Welcome back. If your logic is sound, let's confirm it. Dr. Quill, let's start by assuming Miss Iris Black is the liar.
If Miss Black is the liar, then her statement must be false. This means she was at the main vault, and the thief did use the skeleton key. However, if we accept this, Ben Carlow's statement must now be true, as he claims the thief used the hacking device. This creates a fatal contradiction in our grid, Detective. The thief cannot use both the skeleton key and the hacking device. So, contradiction confirmed. She is telling the truth. Let's move to the next suspect.
Let's try Mr. Julian Frost as the liar.
If Mr. Frost is the liar, then his statement is false. This means he did steal the diamond, and the crime did not happen at the curator's office. This places the crime at the main vault. Now we check the others. Miss Black's statement is true. She was not at the main vault, and the tool wasn't the skeleton key. Mr. Carlow's statement is also true. The crime wasn't at the archives, and the thief used the hacking device, which is the only tool left. The pieces align perfectly, Detective. The lie has led us straight to the facts. We've arrived at the truth.
The culprit is Mr. Julian Frost. He used the hacking device in the main vault. The hacking device wasn't used to break the glass. It was used to disable the seismic and pressure alarms first. Once the alarms were silenced, he had the time to shatter the protective case and make his escape.
That was a nice case, huh? Did you spot the liar? Enjoy the challenge? Subscribe to the Deduction Channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next case.